Welcome to our exploration of the latest advancements in CPU and GPU technology. Today, we'll dive into the cutting-edge features and performance benchmarks of the newest processors and graphics cards. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover, from technical specifications to market impact and future trends. Let's start with an introduction to the latest CPU and GPU models. The AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 are leading the charge, with AMD, NVIDIA, and Intel as key manufacturers. The Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7995WX boasts 96 cores and 192 threads, with a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and a boost up to 5.1 GHz. It's built on the Zen 4 architecture and has a TDP of 350W. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 features 24 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, 18,432 CUDA cores, and is built on the Ada Lovelace General 2 architecture, consuming 450W of power. In performance benchmarks, the Threadripper Pro 7995WX shows a 30% improvement in multi-threaded performance and 20% better energy efficiency compared to its predecessor. The RTX 5090 offers 40% higher FPS in 4K gaming and a 35% boost in AI workloads over the RTX 4090. Innovative features include 3D cache technology and enhanced 8 memory support for the CPU, while the GPU boasts DLSS 4.0 for advanced upscaling and real-time path tracing. These technologies are being applied in enterprise servers, AI model training, film rendering, gaming, AI development, and professional workstations. Notable examples include AI training with RTX 5090 and gaming benchmarks in Cyberpunk 2077. The market has responded positively, with the RTX 5090 being hailed as a game changer for gamers and AI developers, and the Threadripper Pro 7995WX dominating professional markets. High demand persists despite premium pricing. Looking ahead, we see trends like higher core counts and advanced thermal management in CPUs, AI-centric architectures, and more efficient ray tracing in GPUs. Upcoming technologies include quantum computing integration and photonic chips. In summary, the Threadripper Pro 7995WX and RTX 5090 represent significant advancements in performance and user experience. The future holds exciting prospects for AI, gaming, and computational technologies.